This is Jeffro, episode 1. It is, as you can see, 4:10 a.m. It is dark. This is Jeffro. I'm trying to capture the elusive lying wife snoring. Take 1. What we're going to do is sneak in here. There's Peyton Manning. No, it's not. That's, who is that? Oh, I just changed. It was Peyton Manning. We're going to sneak in a bedroom and try to capture the wife snore. This has never been captured before. Ladies and gentlemen, this was a first. That wasn't the best wife snore yet, and I will capture better. But as of now, the date is, oh shoot, the date is, can you see it? It is August 31st, Friday. This is Jeffro. It's been a harrowing episode. It was very dangerous. This is Jeffro. Until later.